Stop paying for cable boxes right now. Yes, this is 100% legal in 2026, and Americans are doing it every single day. Here is the 10-second hook. Your cable box costs you $15 to $30 every month. That is over $300 a year. But the same channels are available without that box. Legally. Let me show you how technicians are doing it in 2025. First method, smart TV streaming apps. Most Americans now use Roku TV, Android TV, Google TV, or Amazon Fire TV. These platforms support live TV streaming apps. Popular options include YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Sling TV, and Fubo TV. These services replace the cable box completely. You only need a stable Wi-Fi connection. Recommended speed is at least 25 megabits per second. No technician visit is required. No coaxial cable is required. Just install the app, sign in, and start watching. Second method, over-the-air antenna. This is the most underrated legal method. Americans are using HD digital antennas in 2026. These antennas receive free local channels. Channels include ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, PBS, and local news. There is no monthly fee. Picture quality is often better than cable. You connect the antenna directly to the TV. Then go to Settings, then go to Channels, then go to Auto Scan. That is it. Third method, cable TV apps without a cable box. Most cable providers now allow app-based viewing. Examples include Xfinity Stream, Spectrum TV app, and Cox Contour app. You log in using your existing cable account. The cable box is no longer required. This is fully approved by the providers. This is how many Americans reduce hardware rental fees. Fourth method, HDMI streaming devices. Devices like Roku Stick, Fire TV Stick, Apple TV, and Google Chromecast are widely used. These devices cost between $30 to $100 one time. They support live TV, on-demand content, and cloud DVR. No technician setup is needed. Important technician tips. Always use 5 GHz Wi-Fi if available. Avoid 2.4 GHz for live TV. Restart your router once a week. Use Ethernet cable if buffering occurs. Final verdict. Cable boxes are not required in 2026. Americans are ditching them legally and safely. You save money. You reduce clutter. You get more control. This is Tech Vibes. Like, share, and subscribe for real tech solutions.